Good morning, YouTube. Today is a very exciting video, especially for me, because I'm actually going to be unboxing my fall journal. And when I say unboxing, it's because Alli from Imperfect Pages and I decided to do a swap. We decided to take composition notebooks and decorate them for one another. So all I know is there's a composition notebook in here, but I have no idea what it looks like. And I thought it'd be fun for us to unbox our journals, our fall journals, and share them with you guys. So I will actually tag Alli's video, or I'll link Alli's video down below so that you guys can go watch her and share some love with her as she unboxes the journal that I created for her. So I cannot tell you guys how excited I am. This, I don't know if you guys know, but I work in seasons. And so this will be my very last journal for 2022 because my 2023 season starts in December because my winter journal is December, January, and February. So this is my last journal before 2023 journals. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna stick with composition notebooks, but probably, because you guys know, that's just like one of my favorites. Okay, I debated bringing up a knife, but I think I can open this without. Okay, so exciting, so exciting. Okay, let's see. I'm just thrilled. Okay. There are some other goodies in here too. All right, put that aside. Okay, I'm gonna wait on the journal, but I'm gonna open these other things she got me, and I can't believe it. I have not seen these anywhere. I think she mentioned she gets them at Walmart. They're like half size composition notebooks. It's pen and gear. I have never seen them at my Walmart. I love it. I love it. It's just like so cool. Okay, I cannot wait to dive into these. Look at these. And she sent me 3. How sweet. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Alli. Okay, and now for the big reveal. Okay, she is so sweet. There's a letter. Okay, I'm gonna save the letter. I'm not gonna read the letter on camera. I tend to get super emotional, especially with notes and letters and things. Okay, so I haven't even looked, but this is sitting on top. It says, a few extra bits and bobs to add to your journal. Oh my gosh, this journal is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna open this before I share the journal with you guys. She sent like so many cute things, all fall related. There's some washi fall stickers and washi. Look at this. Look at that. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I'm going to have oh, look at the coffee. I'm going to have so much fun. I'm going to have so much fun. Okay. And then what are these? Look at that sticker. Look at that sticker. So cute. So cute. Oh, and there's a bear. There's a bear. Little woodland creatures. And that's very cool. These are, it looks like Post-its, but it's clear. How cool. I have never used those before. And then this is awesome. Little like a sticky, you can peel it back and it like will stick and hold a picture or something. Okay, that is really cool. So cool. Okay, now let me show you, let me put those back actually. Let me show you the journal. It says Heather 2022. Look at all of that. Look at the fall leaves. This image, trees. I mean, trees are like my soul. Oh, this is gorgeous. mushrooms, acorns, and then there's a little piece from a book, and it says, tentatively, she moved her foot forward, taking a small step. Then she took another and another. I love it. And there's a painted, oh, everything is just gorgeous. So there's this pattern paper, and then this is painted that she did. Oh, I am so excited to fill this up. So exciting. And, oh my goodness, flipping through, she decorated some pages. Okay. Write a farewell letter to fall. I am gonna have so much fun in this journal. Love cozy layers. It's time for cozy layers. I love having little things. They always tend to, like this. Look at that, it's so stunning. And it never fails that if there is an image in my journal, when I get to it, it's like it's been waiting for me, and most of the time it surprises me at how accurate it is for what's going on in my life. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then what's this? I'm just kind of flipping through to show you guys. Look at this. This is super cool. I have so much fun. That is so cool. Okay. Write about your fondest fall memory. This is gonna be so fun. I love it. Oh my gosh, Alli, thank you so much. Okay, so I will be starting this, your favorite inspirational quote, and I love these circles. Currently, I am in my summer journal, which is June, July, and August. So I'm very excited because we literally only have like, what, a week and a half? 2 weeks? Until September 1st. And that means I get to dive into this. Okay, look at this. Write a mantra or affirmation to carry into fall. I love it. I love it so much. So there you have it. This is my fall journal pick. If you guys want to see flip throughs, those are over on Patreon. I do flip throughs of these, my morning mindset pages, in the breath tribe. So if you guys are interested, I can put that down below. But yeah, go check out Alli, subscribe to her, show her some love, and enjoy watching her unboxing of her fall journal. Yay! Okay, I will chat with you guys next week. Thank you, Alli. I love everything. I cannot wait to play. I actually won't be waiting. I'm going to be diving into one of these once I figure out what I'm going to use it for. I think I have an inkling, but I'm so excited. Thank you so much for all the goodies. All right, I will chat with you guys next week. Bye!